What's going on, guys? Jax the Bearded Hiker here. Got a quick Instant Pot video for you guys. Instant Pot BBQ Boneless beef ribs. We're going to start off by seasoning these bad boys up with some of this Cosmos dry rub. It's the Honey Killer Bee, and it is awesome stuff here. So we're going to start out and season these bad boys pretty liberally on all sides. Okay guys, as you can see right here, we've got this all seasoned up here. Now we're go ahead and we've got our Instant Pot heated up. You want to always make sure that you heat up your Instant Pot first before you put the oil in. And we're going to start off with about that much oil. The reason why we put that oil in there after the pot has been heated up is because it's going to help with stickage. All right, now we're going to go ahead and start browning up our meat. And I do want to say I have this on the saute setting. So if you have an Instant Pot, it'll have a saute settings. And to my knowledge, I think pretty much all pressure cookers, for the most part, have a saute setting. All right, so we're doing a little bit of experiment here today because every time I've done this recipe, I've browned my boneless ribs up first. But I'm going to leave two back here. And we're going to do these without browning, and we're going to see if there's any difference because I'm hoping to maybe be able to skip the browning step. Alright, so what we're going to do real quick, guys, is we're going to remove these ribs just for a moment so we can deglaze this pan. All right, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put in a cup of beef broth, a quarter teaspoon of liquid smoke to give it that faux smoke flavor. And right here, I have 8 ounces of apple juice. We're going to use about half of this, so 4 ounces of apple juice. That's good about right there. And we're just going to get all those nice brown bits off the bottom. And now we're going to go back in with our ribs. I'm going to try to stand them up like this so I can get them, well, I'm going to try to get them all on the bottom here if I can. Put them on the side here. And look, we got this leftover reserved juices there. We'll make sure we go ahead and pour that in there too. Okay, we got all those bad boys in there. We're going to go ahead, stick on our lid, and we're going to pressure this on high for 30 minutes. And then pay attention. We're going to let the pressure come down naturally for 10 minutes, and then we'll hit our quick release. All right, guys, time is up here. Let's go ahead and pull these things out. All right, we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle a little bit more of this Cosmos on here. All right, next we're gonna go on with some of this barbecue sauce. It's roasted garlic barbecue sauce, or sriracha roasted garlic. And this is from Trader Joe's, and it is pretty dang good. But use your favorite barbecue sauce. I happen to be out of my Smokehouse Bayou barbecue sauce. Else I would be using that. But this is good. All right, let's go on with a little bit of brown sugar across the top. All right, now we're going to go with some butter over these bad boys. All right. Now, guys, this is where the real magic is about to happen. We're going to throw this in our broiler on high until all this stuff melts up. Maybe about, I don't know, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, something like that. All right, guys, we just brought these bad boys out of the broiler. We hit it about, what, 5 minutes or so, I guess. Super tender, and they, I mean, I'm telling you, we experimented with this about a week ago. I know it's delicious. I mean, it's the bomb diggity. Super easy, super tender, super delicious. These things are the bomb diggity. And I want to mention that our little test that we did, this one right here, the one I just tried there, was the one that was not seared off. Just as tasty. So when I do these again, I wouldn't even bother searing them off. I mean, I don't know if that would affect the flavoring of that broth or whatever, because you know we did deglaze, but I don't think it would be a big deal. So if you want to sear them, do it. If you don't. I don't think it's really going to make a difference. All right, guys, Instant Pot barbecue boneless beef ribs. Do it.